Dear friends, good morning. Welcome to the Postal Export Guru channel. In today's video, we will understand this LUT and its benefit. This LUT is nothing but it is a legal undertaking from the exporter sides to the government regarding payment of the IGST. Dear friends, export is generally zero rated, means there is no export duty, there is no IGST on the export. Government has made certain provision to for the exporter so that they can avail this facility. So there are two rules. Number one, exporter can pay the IGST at the time of export and later on they can claim refund from the GST department. And second provision, they can export based on the LUT without payment of IGST. So this second provision is more beneficial as you need not to pay IGST upfront at the time of export. So this is very good because your amount is not blocked. So this legal declaration, LUT is legal declaration on the 3 points. The first point, that exporter is agree to export the item within 3 months from the date of invoice or the extended period as approved by the jurisdictional commissioner of GST. The second declaration is that customer will abide all the rules of the GST Act, means he will keep the proper records and also file GST return on timely basis. And the third is that customer declared that in case he failed to export the item within 90 days or 3 months from the date of invoice or the extended period as approved by the jurisdictional commissioner, then he will pay penalty at the rate of 18% along with this IGST amount to the government. The period of interest is from the date of issuance of export invoice up to the date of payment of this IGST along with this penalty. So dear friends, let's understand by an example. If you are exporting your item on payment of the IGST, it means suppose your goods is eligible for 18% IGST and the value of your goods is 1 lakhs, then you have to pay 18,000 upfront to the IGST and then take a claim from the customs department. Then in this case your 18,000 rupees is blocked for the period for up to the refund from the date of export to refund. And second, in LUT, if you are exporting under LUT and then in this case you need not to pay the IGST, that is value of goods is 1 lakh and this IGST is 18,000. So this 18,000 you need not to pay upfront and you keep it with you based on the LUT, and after export you have to file the GST return. So this is a very good things because it is very simplified thing and there is no foundation for claiming of refund and your amount will be not blocked for the period in which customs process your refund and you are getting the refund amount. And this amount will help liquidity of your capital and furtherance of your export business. Dear friends, I will post a separate video on merchant exporters for merchant exporter where 0.1% GST scheme and this advance authorization scheme for the manufacturer exporters separately in my next video. If you have any query or any question on this video, then please post it I will reply as soon as possible. And you don't forget to share and subscribe this channel. If you have any doubt, any more topic on which you want my video, then please mention in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.